Okay, I love my yoga mat I got to work out on. The number one exercise to start with is the wall ball squats. And I use it because I've had my knees replaced and they just help me. This helps me keep balance. It helps me go up and down. I can do regular squats now because of starting out with these. But my magic number is always 12 for any exercise. But you do as many, if you can do 2. We start out with 1, whatever, you know. I like to play music with it and, you know, dance all over the walls and, you know, really get into it. And I can do a lot more that way by doing it. But, yeah, I mean, that's coming from a lady in a wheelchair that couldn't even stand. I mean, look at me now. I mean, I can do wall ball squats. I can do regular squats. I can walk now. You know, I was 400 pounds in a wheelchair. Now I'm 161 pounds. 2 new knees, did a year of physical therapy, and no more wheelchair. Whew. That's a good start, guys. Now number 2. Okay, so there's 5 main exercises that I do every day to get started. And I showed you the squats first. And now this next one is balancing on each leg to build up the strength, to build up balance. So now I have to hold on to the wall and I just do it on one foot, and then I have to hold on to the wall, or you could set a chair in front of you, hold on to the chair. But the goal is to eventually, what we want to be able to do is to stand here on the one leg, balance, and not fall. So let's see by the end of the summer if Debbie can do it, because right now I can't do it. These 2 new knees, I am building up my legs. You know, I've been going up and down the steps in the new apartment building I'm living in, but that's what we want to do. You know, a minute on each leg, 30 seconds, whatever you can do, that's what you want to do. So right now, I'm trying to do at least a minute on each leg, building up my strength, doing different, you know, whoa, doing different movements that I shouldn't do yet. Now, by the end of the summer, I'm going to be kicking these legs up, no problem, not holding on to nothing. Let's see what we can do. We're going to make the impossible possible. That's what this is all about. Now, this is one of my hillbilly exercises. There's 5 main ones that I'm showing you to start with. The squats was first, working on the balance. Now, the next exercise is step-ups. And you just do whatever you think you can do to get good and warmed up. And of course, I still need the wall or something to hold on to. And of course, the inexpensive hillbilly way, you know, the little cheap, inexpensive stool, whatever one you can get. I think we paid $5, $10 at Walmart for that. But yes, the step up, this is a great little exercise. Building these legs up. The most important part of your body to build up the legs. So, you want to go up. You go up with the right leg. That's what I'm doing. Then you come down with the right leg. Up with the right leg. And down with the right leg. Up with the right leg. Down with the right leg. Try to go 30 seconds to 60 seconds, you know, but we're all starting out. So this is a warm up. Well, it's not really warm up. It's the exercise. Okay. Right on. There we go. Yes. Oh, I killed myself earlier. Because I still, with these new knees, don't lift my legs high enough. The number 4 exercise that we should do every day is the toe to calf lifts. You know, calf to toe lifts. Because you want to come up on your calves, then lift your toes up. And up on the toes, lifting the calves, then back, up on the toes, back on the calves. This builds the lower legs up. Up on the toes, back on the calves, up on the toes, back on the calves, up on the toes, back on the calves, up on the toes, and back on the calves. Yes. Now the number 5 exercise that you want to do is the countertop push-up. Or you can use a wall too if you want. I just tried it on the wall and thought, nah, it worked pretty good. But we're going to try the countertop too. I like the countertop a little bit better. I feel like it's got, I don't feel like I'm going to fall on my face as much. But my magic number, you know, to go as long as you can. But we're starting out. So 30 seconds to a minute, or the magic number for me, for any exercise, is always 12. Let's see if we can do 12 at least. But we're going to try to go for a minute. Now just think, see? Each one of these little exercises could take like a minute, well, 30 seconds to a minute to 3 minutes. And I mean, there's 5 of them. You could probably get all your exercises in 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes less once you get going. But we want to build on it too. We want to build by doing more every time. But this is the hillbilly workout that I do because I, you know, can't always make it to the gym. And that's why these exercises, these 5 are just a quick little start that I'm showing you today. I have a lot more of different ones that I do and stuff. And I want to show you all my little gadgets I use. You saw the wall ball squats. So just a $2 ball from Walmart, you know. My peddler I got, you know, that was the most expensive thing I've got, $50. My bands, those were free from physical therapy. My jugs of water and stuff, my weights they were free. Free leftovers. Anyway, the hillbilly workout is inexpensive stuff to work out with at home. Cans of soup, buckets of water, whatever. We can make it work.